I'm sure you agree, a lot of us want to buy a condo and collect rental. But what if I told you you can do it without selling your HDB? In this video, I'm going to show you the costs involved when you buy a condo without selling HDB. Upgrading secret that only require 5% cash is available at the end of this video. Hi everyone, I'm Ken from Ken Tay. Follow me on Facebook or YouTube to make sure you don't miss any of my how-to videos. Alright, let's get into it. Many HDB owners I've met like to keep their HDB while buying a condo to invest in. Let me show you the costs involved. Number 1. Buying with outstanding HDB loan. Assuming all the buyers and owners of your family are Singaporeans owning one property. Imagine you have a 400,000 HDB with 100,000 outstanding loan. To buy a 1 million property, you will need 25% down payment, 3 plus 12% stamp duty, and because it's the second loan, you're eligible for 45%, which makes another 30% into down payment. Total, you need 694,000 for your second property. It's a very stressful amount for many people. Why not I suggest we clear your HDB loan, so your second property you get maximum loan. Okay, here we go. 100,000 used to clear loan, 25,000 for down payment. All you have to do is pay your stamp duty. What's the total amount you need now? 494,000. Still a huge amount for many people. So what cheat I have for you today? Today, 64 new launches in 2019. My viewers can upgrade with just 5% cash. They lock in the prices at the early launch stages while developers slowly increase the prices of the neighbour units, helping them to sit on profit even before collecting their keys. What's the best of all? They didn't have to pay additional buyer stamp duty. They could save at least 12%, 120,000. All you have to do is ask. You trust me with your millions and only give you the best. I'll see you. I'm sure you will agree, buying a condo is expensive and stressful. But what if I told you that many of my viewers upgraded without touching their savings and on average 5 to 6 years don't have to worry about mortgage? I'm sure you will agree that everyone wishes to own at least one condo in Singapore. But what if I told you that buying a condo is simple, but getting the right one is not easy? In this video, I'm going to show you the 4-step process to buy your first undervalued condo. Must be undervalued, huh? Watch till the end for the key criteria to determine if your purchase is truly undervalued.